Well, good day, WestBred Wheat Suppliers. I'm Lance Embry, the Regional Sales Manager for WestBred in the Southern Plains. And we're coming to you from North Central Oklahoma, one of our strip tries. Given the COVID-19 situation, we're going to try to do a virtual tour, and you guys will have to give us your feedback and let us know what you think.
WB 4792 is a newer variety. It's a later maturing wheat. It does come out of dormancy a little quicker than you might expect for a late maturing wheat, but it's got a very long fill period. It is moderate in its tolerance to leaf and stripe rust. It is susceptible to powdery mildew, and it is a little bit susceptible to acid soils. So probably need to keep it further west. Very good drought tolerance, this variety. For a little bit taller variety that we like in the west, it does stand extremely well. In fact, for a taller wheat, it's probably one of the better standing wheats you're going to see on the market. Upside yield potential of this variety is extremely high, and it has very good test weight. But this is one, I like to call this a sexy wheat. It's a very attractive wheat growing in the field. It has a nice size head to it. Doesn't tiller prolifically, but it makes up for it in the head size and the test weight in the grain. But a good western variety for the high plains. WB 4515's been out for 4 or 5 years. This is a real workhorse type variety. As you can see by the color, it's a little later variety, so you're not going to get in much trouble with late freeze potential. Year to year that changes, based on the maturity of wheats, but most of the time the early varieties get hit harder than these do. It has good plant health, and what I mean is it holds on to its leaves really well. So when you get in tough stress conditions at the end, this variety really seems to have a good ability to fill that head out and not give up the ghost and not lose all its leaves. Its stripe rust and leaf rust have broken down, so you do need to spray it for those rust diseases. But the thing you love about this variety is it's a very high test weight, and it's excellent in-use quality. And this is a variety that'll just go in a lot of cases. It's very prostrate, but it tillers a whole lot, and it does do pretty good on grazing. But a really good workhorse type variety, in particular for north central Oklahoma and south central Kansas.
On behalf of John Fenderson and I, we really appreciate your business, your attention to WestBred. Hopefully you found this information to be helpful in positioning the varieties for your area. If you would like additional information on the WestBred varieties, please log in to westbred.com. There you can also find my contact information and additional information on the varieties. You can get the variety profiles as well as test plot data. I want to wish everyone a safe and bountiful harvest, and I look forward to hearing about your harvest results. Go WestBred.